What is up, boys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can already tell, we got a pair of Air Max Pluses. Gonna be doing an Arizona green tea theme on them. I think it's gonna turn out pretty sick. You might have also noticed that I have a plant here. This plant is actually a gift that I got from a friend, and it's actually the same plant that I had in my very first custom, the Aquaman custom. So, little throwback vibes, you know? Anyways, boys, thank you for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. Let's get into the custom. Real quick, let's take out these laces. Okay, that was easy. Yeah. I know you guys are probably gonna be mad, but I am gonna be using some spray paint for this custom. There's just a lot of small details and different panelings that I need to do. So I felt it'd just be easier if I did spray paint for the base color, but yeah. So, slight problem. I completely destroyed this shoe. As you can see, this color is really bad. This is like a lime, and I was trying to get turquoise to try and match the can. So, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah, and the thing is, for the spray paint can, the picture when I was buying it showed like a turquoise color like this. But as you can see, this is more like a dark lime kind of metallic color. So unfortunately, I think I'm gonna call it quits on this custom because I really don't know what or how to get it back to normal. If this video gets 15 likes this week, then I'll try and salvage it. Sorry to cut this video short, but not everything always works out the way you want it to. I mean, you just gotta learn from your mistakes, I guess. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, even though really turned out like crap. Please subscribe and hit the bell because this is not the end of Cash Corp. I'll be back better than ever. Like literally guys, I was so prepared for this video. I got the pink for the roses, I got the gold for all the gold, and then I got brown for like the branches. Cash Corp signing off. Bye, boys.